Oh my god! I hate you. Never talking to you again.
Oh, we're just sitting here.
Dummy. What?
Oh, your mittens are so cute.
They're baby ones.
Baby mittens.
Show you. Not me.
So what should we do? What should we do while we wait for the train?
There's nothing to do. It's cold and there's... Unless you want to run around.
Yeah, I want to run around. Here.
Whoa, now.
Parkour. What's that called where you're
You said it
constantly
right.
running?
You said it right.
Parquet?
No, the other way.
Parkour?
Yeah.
Parkour.
You're a dweeb.
You're a dweeb. Where's the train?
Here comes the train.
Here comes the train.
Yeah, see?
Here comes the train.
You want me to film you getting on it, you say?
Film whatever you want.
You. The train. Hey, move. You're in the way, boy. Ooh. Hey, come here.
Oh, that always is.
Okay, I don't want to film anymore.
Don't film me.
I'm not filming you. I'm filming the train. Here, take it. I don't want to hold it. My hands are...
Are closing.
Doors are closing, Sam.
You know, every time they say that, I want to do like a cheer.
Why?
I don't know.
Every time I know I told you this before, but I'm going to tell you again.
What?
Every time I get on this, I feel like I'm on a time machine.
Yeah, I know.
Because it goes really fast. And it just feels like we're warping through time. It just kills me. Okay, so I was saying, for Christmas at church, whenever, you know, it was like deck the halls.
Yeah.
What is it? Deck the halls? Something. What is the gay part?
I don't know, because I always had a thing in front of me reading.
Oh wait, what is it? Well, whatever. We had to omit the word gay because our youth pastor said that Satan had changed the word gay from happy to something bad, and so we couldn't say that in Christmas carols anymore. We had to say happy or just omit it altogether, like bleep it out.
That's retarded.
Isn't that really
Yeah.
messed up?
It is.
Oh man.
Kind of ruined the song.